We going back old school, okay? Honey, I'm getting me some Boston baked beans. Now, you let me know what was your favorite food, candy when you was a kid. Mine was definitely Boston baked beans. My sister Melissa, honey, she loved Charleston, peanut chews. Honey, when this girl would eat some peanut chews, she would have to scratch her nose, okay? And wood nuts in general, okay? But honey, who remember these? Okay, the Boston baked beans. We gonna take one for the team. We gonna grab these. I don't know about the next person, but when you come to Dollar Tree, I almost forgot what I was originally in here for. Okay, almost forgot. Now, my youngest son, he absolutely loved these pens. Of course, not the mini, child. Come on, be real. But they have like the dino. He used the color in stuff as opposed to using crayons or color pencils. He like using these. He's a boy, but honey, he fancy. Okay, all right. Now let me see what else I had. Originally came here to get a notebook. I tell you guys about writing your goals down. You better have some goals, okay? Unless you're gonna be working towards somebody else's goals. All right. So let's see. Dollar Tree has some amazing items. Look at this, the student planner that comes in different colors. So they have the blue, the green, and also the red. Child. Let me see. And then they also have this journal right here. This is really, really cool. It has like the fast food, like burgers and pretzels and stuff like that. Honey, but I ain't getting that one. Okay, come on now. For I know the plans I have for you, Jeremiah. Ooh, yeah, I think I'll get one of these. Oh, I like this. Although the thing is missing. Okay, but I think we could go with it. We could do this. We could do this. Let me see. What this? Alright. Let me get two of these because I run out of these real quick. Okay, so let me get that. And then my youngest son, his pen. And I think that's about it. Oh, and I'm gonna get some Boston baked beans. Okay, family, let's get online. Okay. All right, family, so my Dollar Tree next to me, they have the lip color. I was waiting for them to get this. Okay, so this is Berry Sweet, and I think we're going to do a live video on this tonight, girls. Okay, and then they also have this one right here. This is the Cuteness lip liner, and this is $1.25. So I told you guys before, sharpener included, two shades. It has the matte finish. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these two, and then they also have, is this the same one? Oh, child, no, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, I think I'm gonna do this one. I want to get all of them. Okay, no, we ain't doing it. We ain't getting all of them. All right, wait, hold on, they have a few of these. Sweet Fusion. Okay, they also have Pure Magic. If I could just get to the Pure Magic, child. Honey, somebody done opened it and done took it. Okay, wait, hold on, child. Let me see. All right, so Sweet Fusion. This is the Sweet Fusion. This is like that pink. Okay, could you guys see the pink and the red? Line lips, and this is for the full lips. So one side is to line lips and the other side is for the full lips. Alright, so I'm going to just go with two of these. That's it. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have this lip gloss right here from LA Colors. And this is Bliss Glossy Finish, Cruelty-Free, Vitamin E Enriched. And then they also have Coral Crush, okay, which is more so like of an orange color. This is $1.25 as well. And let me see. Okay, so those are pretty much. Oh no, they also have glazed. Okay, this one is like a glossy shimmer. It has to it, and then they also have fruit punch. Ooh, chill, get into the fruit punch. Honey, my nail's not dirty. That's the polish. Okay, all right. They also have Paradise Pink. $1.25. And I think that's pretty much it. And these are from LA Colors. Okay, so some of the things you need to know before coming to Dollar Tree. One, Dollar Tree prices is going up, but that don't fear us. Looky, cookie, okay? Because we know that we could just earn more money. Yes, okay? All right? So listen, if you bring in $1.25 or $5 and you like, oh, because I'm gonna be able to get 4 items or whatever it is, because some items have gone up, child. But don't let that scare you. Don't let that alarm you. All right? Just FYI. So let's see what else they have here. Let's get into it. Okay, so another item Dollar Tree has is also this Lash Out Black High Performance. And this is smudge resistance, adds volume. And it is waterproof. Okay? You see right there, waterproof mascara. Now, if you are looking for a cuticle remover, I highly recommend this. This is really, really good. This cuticle remover and pusher, $1.25. Dollar Tree also have the mini manicure set with case. Okay, this is cute. $1.25. I think that's pretty much the only color they have. Wait, hold on. No, they have purple too. Nice. Oh, wait, child, they also have blue. Okay, so if you like, you know what, I'm looking for a different color. Honey, Dollar Tree said, boo, we got you. Right? Peace, family, peace. So today we are back at the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys are having such a magnificent day. Normally, I don't come to the Dollar Tree around this time because it's like 4 o'clock. Normally, I like coming in the morning, okay? But it's okay, honey. We here for the Seal Deals Trills for reals. All right, now I'm in here literally for a notebook and a laundry bag, the mesh bags. I don't really care for getting the mesh bags. You're welcome. But in this case, I'm definitely going to get the mesh bag. Thank you. I'm definitely going to get the mesh bags. And I said, you know what? Maybe I should get some Boston baked beans. Cause it's a childhood favorite. That's why. Okay, don't you dare ask me no questions like that. Why? Okay, cause it's a childhood favorite. Now let's go. All right, so Dollar Tree also have the Color Vibe nail polish with hardeners. All right, it's a Vibe. $1.25. Now this by far is my favorite. This bright orange, okay, that neon orange. They also have some more neutral colors, and then they also have some more bright colors. This green is really my thing, like a chicken wing. And then they also have these colors down here. Absolutely love this. You're a person that's looking for some shorter nail sets, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. Sinful Colors 24 Pro Nail Art Manicure. Okay, when it comes to the colors, I definitely like this. This is by far, I haven't tried these yet, but when it comes to the design, I don't know, this just gives me that Egypt, you know, like that Egyptian look, right? You know, with the gauze and, you know, all that stuff. Okay, I know some of you guys, you probably like, what? Yes. Okay, it's just give me that look. You get 24 nails for $1.25. Now Dollar Tree also have the LA Color nails. We have seen those. These are more so like when it comes to spring, you know, summer vibes. Really, really cute. They also have the pastel pearl 12 pieces for $1.25. These are petite nails. Absolutely love these. Dollar Tree also have these food trays. These are so cute. Okay, so they come in different colors. They have the green, and then they also have some red food trays. They did have the blue, but appears that they ran out. But what's really cool about these is it has the spoon, the fork, and the knife. I absolutely love this, honey. You ain't got to think twice. So Dollar Tree also have these cozy cut life. Okay, these pet beds. Absolutely love these. These are so cute. So honey, if you have some fur friends, Dollar Tree said we have everything for everyone. Modern threads, These are really, really nice. These are $5. Ooh, the purple and gray. Oh, it's giving me life. And then they also have all gray, which is really, really cute. Honey, I don't even have a fur pack, okay? Don't no fur friends. But honey, make me want to get one of these. And these are $5. So if you guys go to your local Dollar Tree and you see this right here, the dupe from Myers, this is really good. The bold scents, lemongrass and sage. In fact, I had used this on live today. Honey, when I tell you this smell, it smells so delightful. Lemongrass and sage, absolutely hands down good. It's $1.25. You could use it on ceramic, porcelain, stove tops, countertops. Granite is really good. All right, so I have a tip and a trick for you guys. Okay, so you know these laundry dryer sheets. If you have like headboard that's suede, okay, these are really, really good. Not only for you to get the dust and stuff off the headboard, but also you can use these dryer sheets like to clean the baseboards. $1.25, you get 15. This is a steal deal. And also I had showed you guys that you can put this on your ceiling fans, all right? But you want to get like a sticky tab or something like command strips or something, or the strips, double strips that Dollar Tree has. Whereas though you can put this on your ceiling fan, and whenever it's spinning, oh honey, the smell smells delightful. So do understand that Dollar Tree is now bringing in, you know, so many amazing deals. And this is one of the reasons why I say, you know, don't get alarmed because Dollar Tree prices are increasing, is because of items like this, okay? Little Trees, you get 6 of these black ice for $5. That is a steal deal, okay? They also have the Little Trees vent wrap, Caribbean colada for $3. So to me, you still are coming out, you know, as a win-win because the prices, I mean, the items that Dollar Tree has been bringing in store, honey, they've been hitting it out of the park, okay? Armor Oil multi-purpose, $3. They also have the tire foam. We've seen some of these $5. The wash and wax, $3. The glass, the auto glass cleaner, $3. Also, Dollar Tree has these cool beach towers that are $5. They come in different colors. They have the stripes. Honey, I like the orange. The orange is nice. Oh, and this color. Okay, this color right here, this pink. Honey, really, really cool. And then they also have the beach totes that are $5. They also have the quad chairs. I like to say these are like beach chairs, and these are $5 as well, a steal deal. I don't know about the next person, but when you come to Dollar Tree, like, you know, I almost forgot what I was originally in here for. Okay, almost forgot. Now, my youngest son, he absolutely loved these pens. Of course, not the mini, child. Come on, be real. But they have like the dino. He used these to color in stuff as opposed to using crayons or color pencils. He like using these. He's a boy, but honey, he fancy. Okay, all right. Now let me see what else I had. Originally came here to get a notebook. I tell you guys about writing your goals down. You better have some goals, okay? Unless you're gonna be working towards somebody else's goals. All right. So let's see. Dollar Tree has some amazing items. Look at this, the stew and planner that comes in different colors. So they have the blue, the green, and also the red. Child. Let me see. And then they also have this journal right here. This is really, really cool. It has like the fast food, like burgers and pretzels and stuff like that. Honey, but I ain't getting that one. Okay, come on now. For I know the plans I have for you, Jeremiah. Ooh, yeah, I think I'll get one of these. Oh, I like this. Although the thing is missing. Okay, but I think we could do this. Let me get 2 of these because I run out of these real quick. Okay, so let me get that. And then my youngest son, his pen. And And I think that's about it. Oh, and I'm gonna get some Boston baked beans. Remember I talked to you guys the other day about this right here, the LA Looks Peel Good Orange Body Wash. Honey, it smells so good. They also have the Cool as a Cucumber Body Wash, smell really good. But my fave is definitely the Peel Good Orange Body Wash, $1.25. Really good. Hey family. So we going back old school, okay? Honey, I'm getting me some Boston baked beans. Now you let me know what was your favorite food, candy when you was a kid. Mine was definitely Boston baked beans. My sister Melissa, honey, she loved Charleston, peanut chews. Honey, when this girl would eat some peanut chews, she would have to scratch her nose, okay? And wood nuts in general, okay? But honey, who remember these? Okay, the Boston baked beans. We gonna take one for the team. We gonna grab these. All right, do you guys eat this? The pork crackling dippers. Okay, honey, these are $1.25. I do my best staying away from pork, although I did have, a pork sausage today. But honey, I did have some chips yesterday from this restaurant, and it had like pork and stuff. Honey, I do my best staying away from it, but just in case, I don't know, maybe you like this. Okay, the crackling, we call these just pork skins. I don't know, the crackling, I don't know. Honey, please, $1.25. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite items. Mine definitely was these the lip liner lipstick. Okay, got 2 of those, and definitely the Boston baked beans. Okay, honey, you better allow your inner child to come out. All right, that's where all your creativity is. And with that being said, I love you guys.